Question number 1 from exercise 11.2. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Circle of radius 6 centimeter from a point 10 centimeter away. From a point 10 centimeter away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. First of all, we will draw a circle with radius 6 centimeter. Because here we are to draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter, then we will draw a circle with radius 6 centimeter. We are drawing a circle with radius 6 centimeter. Here O is the center of the circle. Now we will take a point 10 centimeter away from the center. From here we will draw a line from center O 10 centimeter away. Say this point is P, that is 10 centimeter away from O. Means OP is equal to 10 centimeter. Now we have to draw tangents from P on circle C1. For that we will take the perpendicular bisector of OP. We open our compass more than the half of OP. Like this. Join these 2 points. We get the midpoint M of OP. We take the radius OM and draw a circle passing through O and P. Passing through O and P, which intersects C1 at 2 points L and M. Join PM and PL. This PM and PL are the tangents from P on circle C1. Now see here, OL is the radius. It is 6 centimeter. OM is also the radius. It is 6 centimeter and OP is 10 centimeter. And this angle OMP will be of 90 degree because the angle between the radius and the tangent is always of 90 degree. Now in this triangle, if we want to measure the value of PM, then it can be measured using Pythagoras theorem. PM square is equal to OP square minus OM square. That is PM square is equal to OP is 10 square minus OM square is 6 square. It is 100 minus 36. It comes to be 64. Then PM square is equal to 8 square, means PM is equal to 8 centimeter. Now if I measure this PM with the scale, then I will get that it is 8 centimeter. We have found this as 8 centimeter. Similarly, PL is also 8 centimeter. It is the question number 1 from exercise 11.2.